What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro smartwatch. So we are going to talk about its design, features, screen, performance, battery life and overall pros and cons. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, if you are interested in watching the unboxing of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, then you can click the link appearing on the top of the screen or by visiting the link given in the description. Now talking about the design of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, it is very elegant looking, beautiful and a premium smartwatch in terms of build quality. We got a titanium frame and the sapphire watch dial, and the back is made of ceramic, so the build quality is very premium. You can also see the craftsmanship on the two physical buttons, the crowns provided on Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. The edge-to-edge display with a chamfered edge also looks very premium, and the silicone strap or the leather belt provided is very comfortable as well. It weighs just 52 grams without the strap, so it's pretty lightweight and you can wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. We got a microphone and the speaker on Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, so you can listen music and make voice calls right from the smartwatch itself. And Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is the first ever Huawei smartwatch that comes with wireless charging capability. So overall, in terms of design and the build quality, Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is one of the most premium and beautiful smartwatch currently available in the market. Now talking about the screen and display quality, we got a 1.39-inch AMOLED screen with 454 x 454 pixels resolution, so the display is very sharp and it's very gorgeous as well. We got quite thick bezels around the screen, but Huawei smartly used that part to put the watch dial, and if you use a dark watch face, then it looks like the part of the screen itself. The screen is very bright and the viewing angles are very nice as well, and as I have mentioned already, the glass used here is the sapphire glass, so it is very durable and strong, and you do not need to worry about getting scratches on the screen of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. Now talking about the fitness and workout, we got 13 different types of running courses that you can use depending on your physical level and your goals as well. And then we got more than 100 different workouts that you can use depending on your preference, lifestyle, workout goals, and the new inclusion in Huawei Watch GT2 Pro compared to other Huawei smartwatches in terms of workouts and physical activities are the skiing, snowboarding, and the golf mode that analyzes your swing posture while playing golf, and it gives you useful information and the data that how you can improve your swing speed and frequency for golf. So these are pretty unique workout and fitness related features that you won't find in other smartwatches. It provides detailed information and data regarding all of your physical activities and workouts to let you better understand about your workouts performed with Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is a perfect smartwatch for any kind of sports and fitness lover. Now talking about the battery, it comes with 5-watt wireless charging capability, so it is slightly slower compared to other Huawei smartwatches with fast charging capability. But the battery performance is so nice that you won't even feel the need to charge your smartwatch quickly. On moderate usage, it can easily survive for nearly 2 weeks, and on heavy usage, it can survive around 10 days. During my testing period with all of the sensors turned on for 24/7 monitoring and data collection, the battery survived a little more than 9 days. So the battery performance is really impressive on Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. And the best part is that if you got a flagship smartphone, then you can use the reverse wireless charging to charge the battery of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro anytime, anywhere, and with just 5 minutes of wireless charging, the battery can survive as long as 10 hours. Now talking about the watch faces, Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with some new and unique watch faces which are especially designed for monitoring and providing the data related to lunar and solar cycles, and that's why Huawei calls it the moon phase collection. So you can use these watch faces to get the information regarding the moonrise, moonset time, sunset, sunrise time, and lots of other information related to zodiacs and all on your Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. And other than these, it comes with lots of regular watch faces as well, and you can even use your own pictures to use as watch face on Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. I have made a detailed separate video that how you can use your own images to create watch face and use on Huawei Smartwatch. So you can visit the link given in the description or the one appearing on the screen to watch that tutorial. And since Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with Huawei's One Hop feature, you can use your Huawei smartphone to easily transfer pictures from your smartphone to Huawei Watch GT2 Pro just by touching these two devices. Talking about the software, it comes with Huawei's very own custom smartwatch software that does not support third-party applications and just give you the ability to get the notification from your smartphone to your smartwatch and read them right on your device. But if you would like to reply to a text message like SMS, WhatsApp, etc., then you will have to use your smartphone for that purpose. Now talking about the health related features, we got 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation level monitoring, pedometer data like how many steps you took, how many times physical active you were during the day, how much distance you traveled, how much calories you burned, and lots of other useful information. And then we got the Huawei's True Sleep technology that provides lots of nice information regarding your sleeping pattern, sleep cycle, and it also gives you lots of information that how you can improve your sleep. It also comes with a stress monitoring, and if you are stressed, then you can use the breathing exercises to calm yourself. Since this device comes with a microphone and a speaker, you can use them to make voice calls right from your Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. And that's why we got the call log and the contacts application under which you can add your favorite contacts to make voice calls. And then we got the music player. Huawei Watch GT2 Pro comes with 4 GB of internal storage. So other than the playing the music from your smartphone, you can even transfer music files to your smartwatch and listen them directly on the speaker of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. And if you got a compatible earphone, then you can also listen the music stored on Watch GT2 Pro using the earphones. And then there are lots of useful features like remote shutter, compass, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, torch, find phone, and all. If you want to know more about all of these in detail, then you can watch the video I made separately and talked about every single feature of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro in detail by visiting the link given in the description or the one appearing on the top of the screen. GT2 Pro also comes with a barometer, and under the air pressure application, it gives you the ability to get alarm notification when a sudden drop in air pressure is detected. That is usually a sign of drastic weather change. So when it comes to hardware and software based features, Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is full of them and you can use them for your better productivity. So overall, Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is a great smartwatch in every aspect. The design is beautiful, the build quality is very premium, it comes with great battery life, more than 100 sports mode with some unique features like snowboarding, skiing, and the golf mode. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, we got lots of options like 24/7 heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, sleep tracking, SpO2 monitoring, breathing exercises, etc. The watch faces are really unique and informative, and the moon face collection is really nice as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.